Hey guys, so today is day 9 of my getting better in my communication skill. So before that, let me just fix it. Okay, so now it's done, and my today's topic is one belief that I'm trying to unlearn. If you have watched my previous video of day 7 or 8, I guess, day 8, then you would know how in low energy I was talking. It is because I wasn't okay. There was so much going on in my mind, but still I made that video because I don't want to, I don't want to break this cycle. So this is why I want to learn. I want to get better in my communication skill very bad because I don't like myself the way I talk. That's why I want to fix this thing really very bad. So yeah, where was I? My today's topic is one belief that I'm trying to earn. Okay, so this is, I think, holding on to someone, the person you are holding on to them till you bleed, till you start bleeding, even not stopping when you are bleeding. This is the thing that I'm trying to unlearn because I have did so much worse for me. There was no one and I did so much worse for me, and this is why I don't recommend this thing. I learned this thing in a very hard way that if someone loves you, then they will put effort, and if they want to be with you, then they will make sure to be with you no matter what. Because when I wanted to be with someone, I showed up. I showed up no matter what. I was there. There was always any fake reason or any dumb reason to even stay with that person, right? And I'm not saying that if you are wrong, they still be around you. I'm talking about the healthy thing, right? So this is what I want you. Even if you are like me, then please just unlearn this thing because this is very bad thing. I do not recommend this thing, guys, because I have wasted so much, a lot of my time because of this. As you can see in my communication skill, what do you think? Why I forget things easily? This is the thing. I have tortured myself. I'm not playing any victim because this is me. I have did so much worse to me. But okay, now I'm taking the responsibility and I wanna fix all this thing. Whatever damage that has happened is all because of me. Whatever damage has happened was all because of me. I did it to myself. And the one thing I want you to know that no one is special. Literally, there is no one in your life who is special. Only you are the main character of your life, and no one is the trophy. People are not trophy. They are just people, and they are never ever special. You make them special. It's your energy that make them special. They are not special. And also also stop prioritizing other people before you have to make sure that you are prioritizing yourself, your mental health. And don't take it mental health very easily, like, oh, that's just a PS. No, it is not. You have to take your mental state very seriously. Your mental health matters a lot, guys. A lot. It will destroy you in the end if you don't stop right now. Okay, so that is it for today. And if you are still watching, then please, whatever I have said, apply it to yourself because I know how it feels. I have done something that I will never forget till my last breath. So this is why I'm saying to you, please don't do something that will hurt you. Please don't do, because if someone really loves you, they won't let you cry. And remember this thing, love doesn't make you cry. Love doesn't have to be like Bollywood type, like love, crazy love kind of thing. It will cry toxicity. No, it is not. Love is smooth, love is pure. This is the whole thing. Don't idolize love with Bollywood kind of thing, because that's the worst thing that you can do to yourself. You are the love of your life, so take care of it. You are the main character of your life, and this is the thing that I'm still learning. I'm learning still that I am the main character of my life, and it's better that you learn it too. Okay, so that is it. Bye.